side of this, it seems. Okay, so lift it right up in there, and now we got to find where the actual screws go. Which it looks like. Second. This doesn't turn, right? Yeah. The top does, but not that base. So I'm looking at these screws where the holes are at. Maybe, I guess maybe you only have to get like 2 of them to screw in or whatever. Do you have the screws with you?
Yeah.
Try to find, let's see if we can find a hole to get one to go in. I'll lower it down. Can you see where the screw hole is at?
Right here. I can see him.
So where do I have to go? Do I need to turn it a direction to get it to the screw hole where you can put it in? It actually is getting heavy.
Is that even a screw hole?
These holes on this side are not. It's in this thing up here. See this white rim? We've got to get them screwed into that.
Why don't you switch places?
Okay, so
See what I'm saying?
yeah, and then I can't see.
Can you see where the screw holes are at?
No, lower it some more.